Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's class, let us see geographical explorations. Now let us begin. The 16th century has been called as a century of geographical discoveries or geographical explorations. Till the end of Middle Age, the Europeans were ignorant of geography. In the later developments, the Europeans found a new sea route to various parts of the world. The new continent of the North America, South America, and Australia come to light. Here we see that in the 16th century has been called as a geographical discoveries or geographical exploration century. Till the end of Middle Age, Europeans were ignorant of geography. In the later development, the Europeans found a new sea route to various parts of the world. In the later part, we see that the Europeans were started to search of a new sea route to various countries and various parts of the world. The new continent of North America, South America, and Australia come to light. Now let us move on. Reasons for geographical explorations. Our first reason is when the Turk conquered the city of Constantinople in the year 1453 CE, it closed the trade gate between the east and west. With this, the Turks start getting more profit out of the spices imported from India. Due to this, the European faces the inevitability of finding a new sea route to India. Here we see that in the year 1453, the Ottoman Turks was captured the area of Constantinople. They were established their rule there and they were closed the main gateway. It is a trade gate between the east and west. They were closed it. The Turks was started getting more profit out of spices which are imported from India. On that time, our India is most famous for spices. Due to this, the Europeans faces the inevitability of finding a new sea route to India. This is the main cause the Europeans was started to finding the new sea route to India. Now let us see our second reason is Spain and Portugal was ambitious of competing with Arabs in sea trade. Local peoples and rich encouraged to adventurous youth to venture into sea. Here we see that the Spain and Portugal's peoples are ambitious and competing. They were competing with Arab peoples related to sea trade. The local peoples and the rich also encourages the adventurous youth to venture into the sea. Now let us move on. Our third reason is the discovery of a new countries open the possibility of spreading Christianity. It is a main reason they want to spread the Christianity all over the world. The discovery of a new countries or continents open the possibility, open the many possibilities to spread the Christianity. Now let us see our fourth reason is the European curiosity was roused by the adventurous nature of sea wagon towards the eastern countries. They ventured to bring in spices, silk, cotton, muslin, cloth and sell them for profit. Here we see that the European peoples are very curious to adventurous nature and in the sea and the eastern towards eastern countries. They venture to bring the spices. They wanted to bring the spices, silk, cotton, muslin, cloth and they wanted to sell those goods with a high profit. Now let us see our fifth reason is the experiment done during the Renaissance period. They had proved the earth is round. Many compass and astrolabe was equipment. They were helpful to the soiler. The chart and map were available to the soiler. Here we see that in the Renaissance period the many discoveries were held. Some discoveries were related to the soil, related to the sea traveling like mariner compass, astrolabe equipments. They were more helpful to the soiler and charts and maps were available to the soilers. Our sixth reason is Marco Polo was explained the richness of India and China in his book called Travels of Marco Polo. This book had the traveling experience to those countries. The explanation attracted to the Europeans to visit those countries. Here we see that the Marco Polo was a traveler who was written a book called Travel of Marco Polo. He was described as the richness of India and China in his book, and he was elaborate the way to go to those countries, and it was those explained they attracted to the Europeans to visit those countries. Those are all about the reasons. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.